Weston Hanson on a podcast about Tim from Mrs. Frisby and the Rats of Nim. In the book, Tim gets sick, so Mrs. Frisby goes out to find a way to help him. There are 5 people in the family, including Miss Frisby, Martin, Cynthia, Teresa, and Tim. Then you will meet Dragon, the cat. Miss Frisby goes out to find a new house because they can't do anything with the cat around. In the end, you will meet the Rats of Nim, and they help to move Miss Frisby's cinder block. Producer, Weston Hanson.